On Monday, in a counter-operation, Indian troops of the Secretive Commando Special Frontier Force or SFF occupied key mountain heights which China claims as its own. The SFF consists of soldiers recruited from the Tibetan community in India. One SFF officer was reportedly killed and at least 2 were injured in the operation. So far, the death has been attributed to a mine explosion. But do you know the history of Special Frontier Forces creation and the activities done by SFF? The Indochina War of 1962 was over and India was still recovering from the humiliating defeat at the hands of Chinese army. The country had to look for a solution for the Chinese military's superiority and soon they found one. As the war has reached its peak, a panicked Nehru sent 2 letters to Washington, urging them to intervene in the situation. The US used its influence to suggest a ceasefire, but it had something else in mind. The Mustang Warriors movement was dying due to crackdown by Nepal forces under influence of China, and hence CIA wanted another trusted ally to train and keep the mighty Tibetan army. Very soon, the then Defense Secretary of US Robert McNamara and his CIA chief John McCone flew to Delhi and met Indian intelligence officials. A division of tasks were undertaken and soon the process of creation of a Tibetan guerrilla force started under the supervision of Intelligence Bureau and CIA. Since ethnic Tibetans have been part of Indian Army, first batch of over 5,000 dreaded Khampa warriors started training under the joint leadership of Indian Commando trainers and CIA at a lesser-known location of Chakratai in Uttarakhand. Soon, the organization was rechristened as Special Frontier Force or SFF and was put under Intelligence Bureau and later under the Research and Analysis Wing or RAW. Very less is known about this mysterious force. Even the Indian Army officials don't know much about them. However, many of them go for the deputation to the SFF. Our previous chief, General Dalbir Singh Suhag, was also the Inspector General of SFF during his career. Each soldier of this force, including female ones, are trained very hard on the lines of a Special Forces Commando on mountain warfare, guerrilla warfare, clandestine operations and intelligence gathering. Each one of them is a trained mountaineer, a highly trained paratrooper and, therefore, an army in himself. The secret force, primarily meant to execute clandestine intelligence gathering, special operations and guerrilla warfare against the Chinese, has tasted the actual battle several times since its inception. Thank you everyone for watching this video.